Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by acting fast. Check that your iPhone runs the latest iOS and that carrier settings are current, because software mismatches often break Wi-Fi. Once done, flip airplane mode on then off and toggle Wi-Fi. This forces a fresh scan. Next, power cycle the router and modem to clear transient network faults. Make sure you know the SSID and password so you can reconnect immediately. These steps eliminate common configuration and transient hardware issues before deeper troubleshooting. You now dive into settings. Tap the network, choose Forget this network, then rejoin and enter the password to clear saved corruption. If problems persist, reset network settings. This removes saved networks and VPNs, but often resolves deeper config errors, so back up any VPN info. While you work, enable Wi-Fi Assist for seamless switch to cellular when signal is weak, and check the diagnostics info in settings Wi-Fi for IP, DNS, and router communication errors to pinpoint the failure. You finish by addressing persistent or complex causes. Update your router firmware and try switching channels or separating 2, 4 and 5 GHz SSIDs to avoid interference. If software seems suspect, restore the iPhone, use DFU mode for the most thorough reinstall, but only after backing up your data. Once complete, make sure to test connectivity with a different Wi-Fi network or a personal hotspot to determine whether the issue is device-specific or the original network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.